Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today I have a tiny little task that I want to perform, kind of cleaning up in the data center. I have a lot of stuff in here, as you can clearly see. There's not a lot of space. The racks are right here by the door, and so there is kind of like 2 meters from this wall and to the racks, and a very big storage shelf here, and the camera is usually all the way up against the wall here, filming me standing, well, right over here saying stupid stuff. But up here I have a workstation, and this is the HP WX6400 Workstation, and this was graciously donated to me by Christoph in Germany, and he sent it and spent a lot of money on shipping it, and I was not able to get it up and running just right away, and I did a couple of videos trying, and it has just been sitting there ever since. So I thought today, I did actually ask him in a live stream if it would be okay for me to get rid of it now, and he said it was mine, I could do with it what I wanted. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take it down from there. We're gonna have a look inside and see if there's any parts in there that we can maybe give some life elsewhere. And other than that, I'll be getting rid of this workstation. I'm not sure yet how, if I can find someone to give it to, or if it's just electronic waste. But yeah, I need to get it down from there. Someone has all his rack rails in the way here, and some very old Scotchy cables. They can go over there. I have moved it into the second living room, and it's on top of my Asus workbench. So it has a cool thing. This is a kind of a third-party thing. It has some drive trays, 4 of them, that fits in a 5 1/4 slot arrangement here. Western Digital 320 gigabyte blue drive. So it's kind of cool. So, and that's the front of it. Couple of USB, power on off, hard drive, LED, headphones, a microphone, and a FireWire ready to extend connection right there. And around the back, power supply, 2 fans going out the back, old PS2 connection, parallel connection, serial connection, a ton of USB 2 connections, 5 of them, network connection, audio ports, graphics card, and a network card. So let's have this on the side. And there's nothing wrong with the cabinet. I kind of like the cabinet, but I am not in need of a cabinet. So. Oh, here we are. There is more stuff inside. Another fan here, 2 CPUs. I do believe these are the Intel Xeon 5300 series. They are power hungry suckers. Very power hungry suckers. Then there's a couple of hard drives more here, and these are 2.5-inch hard drives put in 3.5-inch bays. Then we have the tiny little network card, which is apparently also a SCSI adapter. There's a mini SCSI adapter going out of there. That is interesting. Well, I have had this workstation open before, but I do not remember that, so I think we might just have a look at that. So we're gonna take that out. Let's see what we have there. Very cute card. It's a Rocket Raid 4320. PCI Express port, tiny little fan, still turns. Very interesting. Do wonder if that is a network card or if it's just some kind of a... I think I'll cheat and I'll go and Google that. Okay, I looked it up. It's an older card, high point, and it's a 3 gigabits per second SAS RAID controller. It does though support drives larger than 2 terabytes, so yeah, it's kind of still okay. It's looks very sophisticated. Lots of chips on this one, but well, older RAID controllers has that. It does RAID 5 and RAID 6, so that's cool enough. Let's pop that back in. That was interesting. Oh, the network. That was not a network card. That was a management port. Yeah, no network. Now that we have open, let's check this graphics card. Oh, there's a release thingy. There. That's a cute little one. No power needed. This is NVIDIA GT 440, 1 gigabyte of RAM, has HDMI, VGA and DVI. That's a kind of a cool little graphics card, a little fat one. So that's cool. It has been collecting some dust out there. Cool. Let's check these hard drives. These are kind of fun because they're in a case. The case is actually kind of cool. If we can get it up. There. They are connected. It's a metal case, so it kind of takes some of the heat away. And these are enterprise storage from Western Digital, 300 gigabyte. Some variants of the Raptor. But I kind of like the case, that it's a big piece of metal that it's mounted on. Probably it helps with shock resistance and stuff. And then there's a plug converter so that the hard drive can go in here, and there's an output there. So that's kind of neat. There, cool. Up here is that tray with the 4 drives in it. And they come from the RAID controller down here. Those 2 drives here goes directly to the system board where they go in. Then there's an extra fan over here that cools the RAM. Let's see what RAM we have. RAM. We have 2 gigabytes, and this is DDR2 5300F, and that has a frequency of 667 megahertz. Okay, ECC memory, very nice and cooled. Hewlett Packard branded. Yeah, that's probably fine. It has a CD-ROM drive up here. It's not connected. I had all kind of issues when I was playing with this, so I did a lot of testing and unplugging stuff to try and get it up and running, and yeah, nothing really worked for me. I ended up getting frustrated with it and just left it on the shelf for many years. And yeah, there were 2 of those drives. The power supply is 552 watts, they claim. That's rather a lot from that time period. So let's see those drives here. They are. Here is another one. This one is also Western Digital, 320 gigabytes. I like this system. It's kind of cute, cool. I don't know if this is original with this. This is another one, also with. Is it? No, this one is a Seagate hard drive, but it's also 320 gigabytes. This one we had out, that was a Western Digital Blue, and this one is a Western Digital yellow-ish. Also 320 gigabytes, it says it's right here. So about a terabyte. Oh, a little bit more than a terabyte in hard drive space here. So yeah, there is that. And it's ever so slightly dusty. Yeah, I'm not gonna go into much further details. I'm not even gonna turn it on. There was all kind of issues with it. You can go back and see some of the old videos. You could just search on the model number WX6400. I'm thinking about giving this away, or preferably trading it with something else. If some of my Danish viewers has something, or well, if they want this at all and have something weird that they want to suggest me, I am all ears. I would love to do that. This one takes up a lot of space and I haven't been using it for anything for many years. And so getting something else to play around with, maybe something else that I can do a video about and make that interesting, it would be a plus plus. Plus, I could take this parts and selling it off, but well, it was a gift, and the other way, I'm kind of just gifting it along, and it feels better. But I'm not gonna ship this. It's not really worth it. You can probably pick up one of these workstations for very cheap on eBay or Amazon or wherever. This is just for one of my Danish viewers that would be in the area and be able to pick it up, or we could meet somewhere. So yeah, if someone finds this very interesting and has something to trade with, I am all ears. If you need some other hardware, I recommend Bargain Hardware. If you go to bargainhardware.co.uk and purchase anything and use the coupon code, checkout code MyPlayHouse, small letters, you get 5% off of your purchase, and I do recommend that. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.